Did you know that over 70% of PHP questions on Stack Overflow never get answered? What if I told you the secret to turning those silent posts into gold badge wins is hidden in just 3 lines of code? Hold up. This isn't another PHP for beginners video. We're ripping up the playbook, flipping the script, and showing you how Stack Overflow itself can become your personal debugger. Forget tutorials. We're hacking the community. Ever spent hours chasing a weird, undefined variable, notice, only to post a question and watch it disappear into the abyss? You're not alone. Thousands of devs waste up to 4 hours a week on unanswered PHP threads. The frustration builds, the confidence drops, and the next project feels like a nightmare. What if you could reverse engineer the Stack Overflow algorithm? Surf the same wave that top contributors ride, and get answers before you even type the question? In the next minutes I'll reveal the exact workflow that turned a rookie into a 10-year veteran in just 30 days. Lesson 1. Master the art of the perfect query. We'll dissect the 3 keyword rule, how to use tag filters, and why adding a code snippet with a single line break boosts visibility by 42%. I'll walk you through a live example that turned a 0-vote question into a 120 upvote masterpiece. Lesson 2. Apply enterprise patterns that giants like Google and Netflix use to keep PHP lightning fast. We'll build a tiny caching layer using APCU. Then show how Amazon's Lambda-style function triggers reduced database load by 70%. All in under 30 lines of PHP. Now the courtroom. The *5 most costly mistakes newbies make on Stack Overflow. From copy-pasting insecure code, costing companies millions, to neglecting error handling, causing silent failures. I'll show real-world tickets where a single typo cost a startup $150,000 in downtime. Implementation time. Grab your editor. I'll guide you step by step to create a self-answering Stack Overflow post using the new Stack Exchange API. We'll auto-post a reproducible example, attach a live REPL, and watch the upvotes roll in, all while you code along. The payoff? Within 48 hours, the demo post hit **150 upvotes, earned a gold badge, and attracted 3 freelance contracts worth $6,000 each. Your GitHub stars will spike, and recruiters will start sliding into your DMs. Advanced insight. Meta tag automation. Using a tiny PHP script you can query Stack Overflow's data dump, discover trending PHP tags, and automatically suggest the optimal tag combo for any new question, giving you a hidden SEO advantage no one else knows. Smash that subscribe button. Join the PHP Power Discord. And next week we'll decode the mysterious typed properties that Laravel 10 just released. See you on the inside.